Well, anywhere external, of course. We have seen examples where they've been put internal. We don't think that that's a method to go with at the moment. And a good external location is somewhere that's relatively sheltered but allows enough space for the heat pump to be serviced. But more importantly, we want to ensure that we're not causing any noise nuisance. Now, heat pumps are very quiet. However, during defrost, they do ramp up and you will hear a little bit of fan noise. We don't want to put them directly underneath bedroom windows, for example. Now, the actual site in the unit should be in a position where the water that's coming off the heat exchanger doesn't have a chance to pool, and the water that's being condensed from the air has a chance to come away. We have good examples of what to do and what not to do. It's fairly trivial, it's nothing to worry about. Most importantly, we want to put it in a place where it's not going to interfere with the enjoyment of your garden or external space.